Assalamu alaikum, Hussein Baba here. Today we are cooking for about 200 international students who are stranded in Gold Coast, and the dish will be a very special dish. It is a Spanish inspired dish but very popular in the Philippines. It's called beef caldereta. Yes, that's called beef caldereta. And then very shortly you will see how it is being made. Now, I can't do it on my own today, so I have invited Chef Abu Rashid to join me to cook this dish, all right? And I'll see you shortly after this message. Now, again this morning, we had another batch of students who are collecting their stuff. And you can see the stuff. Cameraman, come and have a look. There are all the stuff here, and each of them has been named, packed, pre-packed, and these are the goodies, all the stuff. Okay, is there any message for this week?
Well, it would be really great. We always need donations, but I feel that financial donations would be more appropriate because that means I can then go out and buy what is required, more so than product. I go out and buy the product myself, which I've done this week, so It's all good.
So that means you better get some cash in.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
That's the easy way,
Yeah.
right?
And you go to the www.supportthegirls.com.au, and there is a donate section there. You just follow it through, and there's the donate, and you donate.
Okay.
Always put your email in, so we send a tax receipt to.
Okay. So they get a text receipt.
Yes.
Oh, that's
yes,
wonderful.
yes.
All right. Don't worry if you miss out the website. It will appear below the video. Okay. So that's good. Remember to support the girls,
Yes.
because the more you support, they can support the people who are in need.
Okay, we are back. Now, I'm going to introduce the chef. Well, here is. Assalamu alaikum, Chef Rashid. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, bro.
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, I mentioned to you, we'll be cooking together. What's the dish, brother?
It's a beef caldereta.
Beef caldereta. It's a Spanish inspired but very popular in Philippines.
Yeah, it's authentic Filipino.
Ah, then in Philippines, right? And he said it's very delicious. Okay, let's
Yeah.
see. Now, some of your viewers will find his face very familiar. You know why? Because he and his wife and his young kid appeared in my Baba's podcast. All right? And in the story, you came to learn his life, right? What his life journey. He was a chef, he was a bartender, he was a bodyguard, then he met his future wife, they fell in love, and they became Muslim. Is that right? Alhamdulillah. Okay, if anybody missed that episode, go and watch that episode. It was episode 6, all right, in Baba's podcast. Okay, Chef.
Okay.
All right, Chef Abu. Now,
I introduce you the authentic Filipino.
yes, please come
Yeah.
come on. Now, what we have?
The main ingredients is beef.
Of course, the main ingredient beef, huh?
Yeah, and we have a mixed carrots and potato.
Abu, how many kilos beef?
15 kilo, brother.
15 kilos.
Yeah.
You know why 15 kilos? We are cooking for 200 students, so we need to have 15 kilos.
Yeah.
And then a mix of potato,
Yeah, and
carrot.
carrots, yeah.
Okay. What else? Come on.
This is pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah, made with my town.
It's from your hometown.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Yeah.
By the way, he's from Philippines, right?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is grated cheese, cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
Yeah,
Okay.
butter,
Butter,
sugar,
sugar,
garlic and onion.
onion.
This is Filipino style tomato sauce.
Filipino tomato paste. Okay. All right. Okay.
I use tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Yeah, green peas and mixed green and red bell pepper.
Abu,
Yeah.
it's so colorful.
Yeah,
It's very colorful, like the Filipino people.
that's
Very
Filipino,
colorful.
Yeah. And you know that, Asin Baba?
Yeah.
This dish,
Yes.
every occasion.
Every occasion.
Yeah, all this one.
They love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I can't wait.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
really. Shall we start cooking?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Okay,
Now
cool.
watch how we cooking. All right. Okay. Now the oil is heated.
Yeah.
What do we put?
I just put in the
Butter. Okay, let's put the butter, and I'll help you to stir.
Just half.
Half, just half. Okay.
Yeah.
What we do, we just press it half here, half here, and then stir it.
Keep the butter melt in the oil.
Okay. So we have to wait for the butter to melt in the oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
To mix in the oil.
All right. Okay. Now. Okay. The reason you put the butter is to get the aroma.
Yeah, that's it.
The aroma. Okay.
Aroma.
So remember, if you have to put a piece of butter so that you get the aroma. Look at that. Look at the butter. What's next?
Onion.
Onion. Okay, we'll put the onion.
Yeah.
While we're putting it, we have to keep on stirring.
Yeah.
All right, we're stirring. All right. So we wait for the onion to be translucent. Well, already the aroma started. Cameraman, can you feel this aroma? Good, yeah. Okay. Now, Abu Rashid, what next?
Garlic.
Garlic. Okay. Go garlic. All right. Go garlic.
Now let fry the garlic. And
Okay.
the onion.
All right. So we just leave the onion and garlic to cook it. Yeah. We just leave the onion and garlic to cook for itself. We wait for the onion to become translucent. So it's still cooking. You can see that it's still cooking. Don't get translucent. Okay. Okay. Now the onions have become a little translucent. Abu Rashid, what are you going to put next?
Halal.
The beef. Okay, the main ingredient. Okay. All right, let's put it. Oh my goodness. Look at the amount of beef. Wow, these are really big. All right. Stir it. Stir it. It's not easy stirring 15 kilos of beef, but it's okay. Look at that. Okay.
Put pepper on it.
Pepper, yeah. Pepper to taste, yes. Okay, that's the pepper. Now let the beef cook for itself, so we're going to close it. We'll leave it for how long, Abu?
Just 2 minutes or 3
Okay.
minutes.
We just leave it for a few minutes to let it cook the beef, okay? Just few minutes.
And go.
It's been cooking for 3 minutes. Now let's see what's happening. Cameraman, are you ready? See. All right. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, now there's a lot of mixing and rolling. I'm going to leave it to the chef. Okay, you're going to do it. What's next?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple, that is from his city.
Yeah.
What's the city?
Kulumulok.
Ulumulok. Okay.
Yeah.
Put the pineapple.
This pineapple
Yeah.
to mix the beef taste tender.
Oh, make the beef tender tasty. Okay. There's a reason behind it.
Yeah.
Look, look. I can smell the pineapple with the beef. Wow. Really good. We have mixed the pineapple and the beef. So, chef, we leave it for how long? 15
Yeah,
minutes?
until the beef is cooked.
Oh, so about 15 minutes?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, all right. We leave it for 15 minutes. All right. Now it's almost 15 minutes. So we're going to check what's cooking inside. Come on. Chef, come on. Oh, what you going to do next? Open it. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Very well. You can smell the aroma. So we just this.
Yeah.
Tomato sauce, this Filipino tomato sauce, okay? You can stir it, voila. Hey. So, chef, we leave it for about 10 minutes.
Yep.
So let the meat become more softer.
Yeah.
Right, softer. Okay, that's good. And then it become soft and succulent. All right.
That's
So, okay, we just leave it. All right. We cover it. Okay, leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, good. Thank you.
3 and go.
Okay, now it's more than 10 minutes now. Now the next thing is, Abu Rashid, what are you going to put?
Oh, this.
Potato and carrot?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's open. Okay, we're going to open it now. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, please, put it.
Can you manually
Yes, yes, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that's it. Now start stirring. All right.
Makes it look.
Make it look, eh? Do you want to just leave it on top or you want to mix it
Yeah, mix it together.
All right. Here you go. He's a tough guy. He used to be a bodyguard. Okay, Rashid. So So almost you have stirred it.
Yeah, already.
So we leave for about 5 minutes.
Yeah, to the potato and carrots cook.
To cook the potato and the
Yeah.
carrots. Then you'll put the pea and the green pepper.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the cheese and everything.
Cheese and all. Well, of course, we need to put some one ingredient, very important. That is the salt. So look at that. Put the salt. Salt.
Yeah.
This should be.
And also, bro, I think you put a little bit of sugar.
Okay. All right. Now we put the salt and we're going to put a bit of sugar. All right, sugar. Okay.
Just a little bit to twist. Have a sweet taste.
Okay. All right. This is not spicy.
Not
Right? It's
spicy.
sweet. Now, if I want to put, if I want it to be spicy, I can add chili, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
good. I can add chili flake.
Yeah.
So any viewers who are cooking and you want to be spicier,
Yeah.
just add chili powder or chili
Yeah.
flake. Good. Okay. All right. Now we close it.
Yeah.
We leave it for about 5 minutes, and after that, we will pour in the green pea, the green pepper, and the red pepper, and the cheese.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Then it's almost done.
Yeah.
Now let's check. Now let's check whether the potato. Oh, come on, cameraman, close by. Oh, look at that. Look, a stew. It's kind of a stew, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Kind of stew. Okay. Now what we do? Now we have to add more ingredients. Now, chef, can you bring the ingredient? Look at that. This is the green pea, and then the chopped, what do you call, like a cube,
the mix.
green pepper and red pepper,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right.
This is finishing touch, bro.
Finishing touch. This is a finishing touch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's the finishing touch.
We put this, bro.
The cheese.
Yeah.
The cheese. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the cheese. And stir it, stir it. I can smell the cheesy. No, okay. Oh, become thicken, eh?
Yeah, until the cheese will melt.
Okay, we wait for the cheese to melt.
You can smell the aroma of the
Oh
red
yes,
pepper.
I can. Yes.
That's
yes.
the caldereta.
Caldereta. Okay.
Yeah.
What I'm going to put now?
Thickener.
Thickener. That's the tomato paste. Okay. All right. We stir. All right. Thickener. Yes.
You can use cornstarch, but
Yeah.
this one is good. because
Better. Yeah. And also give the color.
Yeah. I mean,
That's it. Enough.
yeah.
Okay. We just add the tomato paste
Yeah.
because it gives some color and also it's a thickener, right? Look at that. Look at that, like a stew, huh?
Yeah. That's the
Caldereta. This is beef caldereta. So, chef, all done?
yeah, all done. That's the
Okay.
finished
So
product.
just cover it
Yeah, cover it.
and then leave it to cook by itself for
Yeah.
maybe for 5 minutes.
Yeah, just it.
Okay, then we off the oven. Okay, we off it. All right, off it. Done. That's it. Okay. After this, it will be transferred to the lunch boxes, right? So it will be side by side with the rice and caldereta,
Yeah.
right? And I can't wait to taste. But we have a special guest who will be coming to taste the food today. You wait and see.
2, 3.
Okay. Now let's check the rice. How the rice? My goodness! Look at that rice. All right. Here we go. We understand. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful. This is Jasmine rice. This is Jasmine rice. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay, now we're going to start packing. That's where we go. Rice here. All right. You got the rice here. Okay. And then there goes the calderado. Okay. Put some potato. There you have it. You have the rice and the beef caldereta. Smells good. All right. We continue doing it. How you been? Everything done?
Yeah, everything
All
done.
done. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to do. All right. Hey, who's here? Okay, Councillor Ryan. Everybody know Councillor Ryan? Come on, yes, yes. Hey, thanks for coming.
No worries at all.
So, good. So, today we cook for about 200 students. As you know, 200 students mainly from Indonesia, South America, Philippines, India, and a bit of Thailand as well.
Fantastic.
So they, they're stranded here,
Yes.
and they need our help, our assistance. So we've been doing for the last 3 months. And of course, on weekdays we supply the groceries, and on weekends we supply the cooked hot meal.
Perfect,
Yeah, because they're away from their home, they miss their home food. So every week we have a different team. Last week was butter chicken,
Lovely,
right?
lovely.
Now, this week is, what's the dish?
What have we got?
Beef Caldereta from Philippines.
Beef Caldereta.
Yeah, from Philippines.
From the Philippines,
Perfect.
but it's a Spanish flavor. I mean,
Okay.
why don't you come and try?
Oh,
Okay, love.
nice.
We have a nice spoonful. That's okay. Maybe we take one box. We will take it to later on.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's try.
Let's try it.
You can take what if you. This big piece of meat. Yeah, good.
Amazing.
Amazing. Oh, oh.
You love the food?
Love it.
Let,
It's
let,
incredible.
let me finish swallowing it and we ask a question.
That's amazing.
But you're not in spicy food, are you?
He loves my food.
Oh, he loves the
He
food.
loves my
Okay.
food.
Is it good?
That's amazing.
Amazing. Okay, you're happy?
Yeah, I'm
He's
happy.
Very lucky to have you.
Okay, happy. All right. That's good. Thank you for coming.
No worries.
And then, so every week we'll have different food.
Perfect.
So when you're free, just come over by. No invitation required. Just come over, just like today.
Students are lucky to have this.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah. So what will happen is, after we are packed here,
Yes.
so we will drive around and distribute because the students don't have vehicles
course.
to come here. So we drive around and distribute. Take the whole day, but it's worth it. And most of them stay around Southport, Surface Paradise. Some as far as Tweed Heads. So we have people there delivering all the way to Tweed Heads, from Southport all the way to Tweed
This
Heads.
is amazing service you're doing.
Yeah.
I think your
Yeah,
team's
it's
doing
the
a great
best.
job.
Okay,
It's the
thank you so
best.
much. Thank
It's
you,
the
Ryan.
best.
Thanks, Ryan. All right, you can take that with you, and we can take a photo
Appreciate
with him. Okay. This week, the ingredients were all supplied by
I care.
iCare. All right, this
We
is
love
Lauren, and this is Rashid. Okay, they also assist Haji Hassan Gauss in his project, which is called iCare. So they assist them as well. So all the beef and everything was all sponsored by iCare.
And also the Coke is sponsored by the iCare. Me.
You get paid?
No.
I thought you're being free. Oh my goodness, forget it. No my collection for you. I thought you were being free. No problem.